Yeah.
Hey guys, so it's like day 2. This is my fit. Shorts are from CANON, shoes Nike, shirt I ordered it from something. Oh boy, did I decline it? Oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, they're looking for us to get the elevator, so gotta go. Whoops.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so I'm not wearing makeup today, just mascara. Because honestly, guys, it's so hot. Like, I'm not kidding. It's really hot. It's the hottest here. So, even if you do wear makeup, it's gonna melt off, so. We just don't do it. And they told us to meet us here, but they not here yet. That always happens. Always. And when I mean they, I mean my parents and my sister and brother. This cute little circle window. It's a view.
You want to take a picture of me? Or you want to?
So guys, now we're on the bus. We're on the bus. We're on the bus. About to go back to the port.
Today, this might be better because that boat is
Me and
There you go.
thank you.
Make sure you get my good side.
Okay, that churro was in my belly. If you haven't heard, and it's not just a gingerbread man, it's also the churro man. There's another book like that.
Oh.
I read it at my school. And dude, it was so delicious.
Oh.
When you go in, hold on, sorry, I have throat problems. So when you go in, dude, it's horrible. They show you all the creatures from Concho Island. Like that worm that ate that man, and that crab that grabs people. And also, it's gonna be terrifying when you see King Kong and disgusting. So, yeah.
Okay guys, so we're going to King Skull Island. It's a ride. And it's really cold in here, and we don't know what to expect, do we?
Yeah, like there's a giant line of death in here.
Oh boy, we don't know. So I will let you guys know how this ride is. I'll let you guys know how this ride is when we get off of it. But it's really dark in here, so you can't see me anyway. Yeah. See y'all when I get out. Okay guys, so we just got off Kong Skull Island. It was really good, but this girl was screaming. She right up there. She was screaming really loud, bro. She almost knocked out
She made it so much more.
Yeah, she made it more than what it was. She almost blew out my eardrum. So, besides that, it was a great ride. And I recommend, if you guys go to Universal, go to Kong Skull Island. It's a great ride. You'll think it's just like a safari, but much more than that. Oh boy, they're coming.
Whoa!
Woo! Whoa, watch it, Yanni, watch it down there. Girl coming down. Yay!
Oh, you okay?
Good job, Dad.
Good work.
You know what? Keep on doing that.
Wow, that is awesome. You did pretty good.
I want to keep doing that. You're right. I'll do so many. I'll try to do it hard.
I know. Maybe come back later and try again. Good job, Devin.
And where you try to go?
Okay guys, so I just finished rock climbing as you guys saw. It was fun. It's harder than you think though, especially with nails, but I still made it, so yeah. Okay guys, so I got a pretzel with cheese. Yesterday I spilled my cheese, so hopefully I don't spill it. Yeah, it's so hot, so if I look hot, that's because it's hot.
We didn't even wear makeup. It's so hot.
Didn't do that. Like it's so, like I feel greasy, like I put baby oil on my face. I don't know.
At least we get to touch her face
I
today.
wore mascara, but that's it.
Come on for a cute.
Are you excited, Betty? Mm-hmm. So guys, we're about to get on that ride next. Won't be able to vlog it as you can tell, but I'll let you know how it is. So yeah. Okay, hey guys. So as you guys can tell, I'm off the ride. Wow. I gotta fix that. But we went on the whole ride. We got front row. So front row was crazy. If you like the thrill, you like roller coasters, go on it. If you don't go in it, but I love it. We're getting lunch now. I got a French au jus and we're getting some nachos, so we're gonna eat that. And then I think we're gonna leave the park, maybe go to the water park or something. But I'm gonna take you all along.
I'm not ready.
Let's go.
Illegal.
Alright guys, so I just got a cinnamon apple. You guys can't see it because it's in the bag, but we're in this candy store. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna show y'all the apples and stuff. They have a whole bunch of different like treats. And I got the cinnamon apple, which is that one right there. So good. So I'm gonna eat it when I get back to the hotel. I think we're about to leave now. It's like almost 1, I think, 12:45. So, don't know what we're gonna do after. We're either gonna go to the water park or chill out and come back here later. So, whatever I do, I will vlog it so you guys can see. Okay, hey guys, so we are heading to the pool. We're going to this water park called Volcano Bay. I'm wearing this red swimsuit which you guys will see in the swimsuit haul. By the time this vlog is up, I don't know if it'd be up already or not, but if it is, I'll link it in the description box. But yeah, this is from Zalfo, hat, Paxton, necklaces, H&M, shorts, CANON, sandals, Steve Madden, and yeah, this is all. About to go to the water park. I typically don't like water parks just because like I have like a fear of surfaces. Like I don't like surfaces, so like the bottom of the pools and stuff, I don't know, just a lot of people, I just am not really fond of it. But hey, it's warm out, so I'm gonna try this and I'm sure I'll have fun. So that's what we're doing now. It's like, what time is it? It's 4:55, so we'll probably go to the water park, get dinner, and then like go bowling tonight or do something else like that tonight, or city walk or something like that. Last night we went out to the club. City walk's my first time. Like, it's cool because like I'm 21, so I can actually go to clubs and stuff. I was really tired. I did not want to go. My sister wanted to go, so I was like, okay, I'll just go with you. So we went, and it was actually fun. Good time. So, about to head to the water park, and I will see you guys there. Hey guys, so we made it to Volcano Bay. We got these little wristband things. I guess it's like for the ride. And I just showed you like the volcano. It's pretty cool. It's a brand new park. It just opened this year. Yes, please.
And also, I want to check out.
Hey guys, so we just got out the wave pool. It was crazy. I wish I had a GoPro so I could have took you guys in because the waves were crazy. One actually went over me and like swallowed me. I almost drowned.
And dude, it was horrible. Look at the volcano. If you look at the top, the volcano is trying to remind God that we did it. Like, dude, come on. The waves, they killed us. Wow. That was amazing, dude. It's like, and also that little baby wanted to go on too. Aw, cute little stunker. Oh, it's so dangerous. Oh, the evil.
Yeah, so we just got out the wave pool. I think we're about to the lazy river. We have a ride that's in like 30 minutes. And we'll probably get some snacks. Oh my god, we have to go back. Bro, that's fun as hell, you gotta admit. That's the sound that happens when like the waves come. It was so fun, I loved it. So we're gonna get a snack, go to the lazy river, and then, yeah. I really want to go.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to sway. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling no train. Want the whole crew, shorty break.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh god. Oh, it looks so pretty from back here.
Yeah, in the dark night rises now.
Can you take a picture of me like in the water with my...
And the map away, guys. I'm in the tower.
Look, this is Zeta Volcano. It's blue.
Zeta Volcano?
Alright guys, what do you say?
Alright, anyway, guys.
Okay, hold on. Alright, so guys, this is a beautiful volcano at Volcano Bay at night. It's so nice. So guys, I'm vlogging in the water with my phone. This is the pool. I just want to show y'all. It's lit. Sorry if it's blurry content, but I am in a pool with my phone, so I'm risking it, but I got y'all. So, I just finished risking my life. You guys saw the footage. I took my phone in the water because I really wanted to get some footage while I was in the water. I didn't have a GoPro, but I have my phone. So that's that. I also took some pictures. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram so you can see those. But yeah. It's so beautiful here. So if you guys go to Universal Studios Orlando, I suggest you go to the Volcano Bay Park, but do not wear makeup and be ready to get wet because you're gonna get wet. Don't know what we're gonna do now, but I will vlog when I do something else. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back now, and as you guys can tell, I've changed. Washed my hair, blow dried it, straightened it, put on this romper and these little shoes. Shoes are from Target. This romper is from Target. Everything's from Target. The necklace is from Target. Earrings are from Target. Target should sponsor me. But yeah, I'm still not wearing makeup just because I haven't worn it all day, so might as well just not. But I think we're going downtown Disney to get some, like to the city walk to get some dinner. So, gonna bring you guys along. I ran out of space on my regular SD card, so I had to take the SD card from my big camera and put it in here. But we good. I got y'all. Got y'all with the footage.
Cash in the air, it goes up. Hey, I know some young niggas from the bottom. They'll do anything for $1. I could've went to school to be a doctor, but I dropped out and chose to be a baller. Switching lanes, being game in my new drop. Still on the paper chase that'll never stop.
So we just left dinner. We went to the Hard Rock Cafe. It's pretty good. I do recommend. If you guys go to Universal U, check it out. It's really nice. I got a burger and garlic fries. Super humid out here, so don't know why I straightened my hair, because it's humid. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna head back and watch Insecure, go to bed. I'm tired. So I hope you guys liked today and all the footage I got, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.